The gentle glow of dawn filters through the ornate latticework of my royal chamber. I awaken in golden splendor, surrounded by the intricate carvings of my forefathers. As Pharaoh, the weight of Egypt rests upon my shoulders, but here, in this serene moment, I find peace. Rising from the silken sheets, I step onto the cool, mosaic floor. Servants enter with bowed heads, whispering morning salutations as they draw my bath of perfumed water, heated by the sun's early rays. The steam rises in gentle plumes, cleansing my mind as much as my body. Dressed in linen robes, adorned with symbols of power and divine protection, I leave the chamber. The palace is already bustling. Courtiers, priests, and scribes scatter about their duties, maintaining the harmony of the realm. My vizier is at my side, a constant presence guiding me through matters of state. Our first task leads us to the throne room, where petitions from all corners of my kingdom await. Farmers seek the Nile's bounty, merchants offer tributes of exotic goods. I listen, deliberate, and grant decrees, balancing mercy with justice, all while maintaining the majesty expected of a living God. The morning flows into midday, when I retire briefly to the garden, an oasis in the heart of the palace. Here, I walk among the sacred lotus blooms, drawing inspiration from their purity. The scent of the earth commingles with the whispers of the wind, offering solace amidst the demands of my rule. The afternoon is spent in council. Together with my generals, we review strategies that will ensure the security and prosperity of Egypt. The land must flourish under my reign, and we are resolute in our plans. As Ra begins his descent, the temple priests lead me in a ceremony honoring the gods. Incense fills the air, and chants rise in unison. My voice joins theirs, reaffirming the divine right by which I govern. Dinner in the banquet hall is both a celebration and a ritual. Dignitaries and family gather around, consuming delicacies meant to delight and nourish. Conversations flow as freely as the wine, and laughter punctuates the evening, a reminder of the joys of life. Night falls gently over Egypt as I return to my chamber. The stars blink above, eternal witnesses to the legacy I carve. I reflect on the day's accomplishments, knowing that each decision shapes the sands of time. Wrapped once more in the luxury of my bed, I close my eyes, drifting into the realm of dreams, a place where the gods speak and I, their humble servant, receive their wisdom. My heart is tranquil, my spirit prepared for the challenges of tomorrow. And thus, in the quiet darkness, the pharaoh sleeps, steered by destiny and guided by the divine, in the lawful order of Ma'at, a promise to the land I cherish.